Hi students, we are starting today the applications of quadratic equations in exercise number 2.6. The product denoting the numbers of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her age, present age. Suppose your age is today 15 years. 2 years ago means 15 minus 2 is equal to 13 years. And 2 years ago, 3 years hence means 3 years after, it will be 18 years. So I go backside, count in the past, and hence means add up. So it's very easy. Suppose first is assumption. Suppose Pragati's age today. Yet today's Pragati's age. It will be better. Today, present be. It will best thing. Present age of Pragati is equal to X years. So today's age is X years. 2 years ago, it was X minus 2 years. And 3 years hence, it will be X plus 3 years. So this assumption and primary things are over. Now as per condition, the product of these two, so X minus 2 and X plus 3 is equal to 84 years. These conditions they have given us. So opening the brackets now, X into X, X square, X into plus 3, it is plus 3X, and minus 2 into X, it is minus 2X, and minus 2 into plus 3, it becomes minus 6 is equal to 84. So, making addition and subtractions, X square plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. 84. Now what we have to do? We have learned lot of methods of solving quadratic equations. Easiest way people adopt is splitting the middle term. So we need two numbers in such a way whose sum will be x square plus x minus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now, we need two numbers in such a way that their product will be minus 90 and sum will be plus 1. So, those numbers are plus 10 and minus 9. Using these numbers, x plus 10 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. This is SSC. You don't have to show all the things, splitting and all the things. That was in childhood. So directly you have taken. So now x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 and x is equal to 9. So age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. So rejecting negative value, age of a present age of Pragati is 9 years. We have rejected negative sign, that is minus 10. Age cannot, because age cannot be negative. So present age of Pragati is 9 years. Correct? That was first example of 2.6. Age cannot be negative. That you don't have to mention, just rejecting the negative value. Correct? Thank you. Next example is the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. So consecutive means back to back. 1, 2, 3. These are consecutive numbers. So let the numbers be x and x plus 1. Consecutive number. Consecutive even natural numbers. So it will be x and x plus 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. So difference is 2 plus 2. So it gives x and x plus 2. So the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. As per condition, the square of first one plus square of second one, will give us number 244. Sum of squares of two even consecutive numbers. So it will be x square plus a plus b the whole square is x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 4 is equal to 244. Therefore, x square plus x square 2x square plus 2 into 2 4x plus 4 is equal to 244. The identity is a plus b the whole square. So this will be 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is equal to 0. That 244 came to left hand side. Sign changing is important. Therefore, 2x square plus 4x minus 240 is equal to 0. Now, to make the smaller numbers, to make the coefficient smaller, divide by 2. It will be x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now we need two numbers, such numbers, they will give us the product 1 minus 120 and sum plus 2. By experience you will get this knowledge. It will be plus 12 and minus 10. So brackets will be x plus 12 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now equating with zeros, therefore x plus 12 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 12 and x is equal to 10. The condition is, in the example they have given the condition, in natural even numbers. So we have to reject the value of minus 12. Same way you have to write rejecting negative value, the numbers are, first is x is equal to 10, and second is x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So the required numbers are 10 and 12. 10 and 12. Once again I am explaining. Two numbers are there, and what is the condition behind them? They must be even natural numbers. Even numbers have difference of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have taken x and x plus 2, and as per condition, sum of squares of those two numbers. So it is x square plus x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 244. So x square is x square. Expansion of a plus b the whole square will be x square plus 2 into a into b, that is x into 2 plus 4, that 2 square is 4. So 244. So 2x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 244. We brought that 244 to left hand side and we got the equation 2x square plus 4x minus 240. To minimize the coefficients, we have divided by 2. To minimize the coefficients, we divided the equation by 2. So the equation finally got it. Final equation is x square plus 2x minus 120. We need two numbers in such a way that the product must be 120 minus 120. The product must be minus 120 and sum must be plus 2. So these two numbers are there. Adding x plus 2, 12 into x minus 12, we got two products and is equal to 0. So equating this number first 0 and this term with 0 and equating this term with 0, we got x is equal to minus 12 and x is equal to 10. Condition is even natural numbers. So we have to reject the minus 12 value and we got x is equal to 10 and the remaining number x plus 2 is 12. So the required numbers are 10 and 12. Now the third example is in an orchard. Orchard means fruit garden. Shri Madhusudan, the number of orange trees in each row is 5 more than the number of trees in each column. Now let us see what is row and column. Column means vertical lines. Column means vertical lines, and horizontal lines are called rows. So remember, vertical lines are called columns and horizontal lines are called rows. The condition is the trees, orange trees in a vertical line, suppose they are 10. So in the horizontal, they are 15. Suppose these are 20, then these will be 25. So horizontal line has 5 more trees than the vertical line. So they say there are 5 more trees in the row than the column. Understood? So let us see. Suppose there are X trees in the in each column. In each column. Each column. Therefore, trees in each row is equal to x plus 5. The row has 5 trees more than the column. Condition is the product of these two total trees, that is x into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150. Correct? Yeah, 150 trees. Now, expanding this, we will get x square plus 5x is equal to 150. X square plus 5x is equal to 150. Therefore, x plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Taking that constant term to the left hand side. Now we need two numbers in such a fashion that their product must be 150 and their sum must be 5. So bigger number must be positive. So they will be. So some students may not understand, so I am giving the detailed explanation. X square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Actually, it is not necessary to give all the details, but I am giving you because some students may not understand the direct bracketing system. So therefore, x into bracket x plus 15 minus 10 into bracket x minus 15 is equal to x plus 15 is equal to 0. While taking out the commons, you must be very careful. We have taken minus 10 outside, so it will be plus 15. Therefore, x plus 15 and remaining is x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, now equating with zeros, x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 and x is equal to 10. Means again one negative number and one positive number. So, number of trees cannot be negative. That fellow want to do the business. So, number of trees cannot be negative. Rejecting Yeah, number of trees cannot be negative. Therefore, trees trees in each column is equal to x is equal to 10, and trees in each row is equal to x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So the final answer is, in each row Madhusudan has 10 trees, 10 trees, and in the row he has 15 trees. This is the simple example. They can use age, they can use numbers, quantity may change, but the procedure will be same. Procedure will be same. So this is the vertical is called column and horizontal is called row. Vertical columns and horizontal rows, there is a condition. Horizontal rows have 5 more trees than the vertical column. So we have taken x and x plus 5, total trees are 150. So x square वगैरह वगैरह करके we have got the answer. In vertical row they are 10, and in the horizontal row they have got 15 trees. Correct? The fourth example is depending on ages of two boys. Their name is Vivek and Kishore. Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. Kishore is my younger one and Vivek is elder one. Let age of Kishore be X years. Therefore, age of Vivek is equal to X plus 5 years. Up to this, it's very easy. Now what they have said, they said the sum of the multiplicative inverses of their ages is 1 by 6. Multiplicative inverses means inverse. Suppose x is there, then 1 upon x is an inverse. So multiplicative there, you can use that word or don't use that word. It is inverse, whatever it may be. Inverse is inverse. Multiplicative inverses are are 1 upon x and 1 upon x plus 5. Multiplicative inverses are 1 upon x and 1 upon x plus 5. Now addition of these two numbers, addition of multiplicative inverses, therefore 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to, they say it is 1 upon 6. As per condition, the sum of their multiplicative inverses is 1 upon 6. So cross multiply. It will be x plus 5 plus x upon x into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Therefore, 2x plus 5 upon x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. We are simplifying the equation, but we at least we get after we can do that after getting the equation. To get the equation, this exercise is going on. This all procedure is going on for the correct equation. So cross multiplication, after that we got this one. One more time cross multiplication. One more time cross multiplication. It will be 6 into bracket 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5, 6 into bracket 2x plus 5 and 1 into bracket x square plus 5x. Therefore, 12x plus 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Slowly we are getting our quadratic equation. So transfer these all things to that side. X square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30. Therefore, interchange the sides. X square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. And this is the equation. We call it as a quadratic equation. Now we need two numbers in such a way that they can give us sum must be minus 7, sum must be minus 7. Sum must be minus what they are said, multiplicative inverses. Yeah, correct. Sum must be minus 7 and addition must be positive. Minus, minus. Product must be minus 30 and addition must be minus 7. So therefore, we got minus 10 and plus 3. Using these numbers, x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, taking out the commons, x into bracket x minus 10 minus plus 3 into bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. So now these two are common. We have to take out x minus 10 and x plus 3. The remaining part is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 3. So, age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. You can write there, since age cannot be negative. Therefore, accepting x is equal to 10, so age of Kishore is equal to x is equal to 10 years and age of Vivek is equal to x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 years. So, the age of two boys is 10 and 15 years respectively. Be careful, because of these heavy words you may get confused. Multiplicative inverse means simple inverse. 4 is a number, 1 upon 4 is the inverse. 5 is a number, 1 upon 5 is the inverse. They have used one heavy word there, multiplicative inverse. Don't get confused. It is simple inverse. Inverse. Okay. Any number, when we do it 1 upon that number, is called inverse. Correct? So, final ages are 10 years and 15 years. Now, the next example is regarding the marks scored by one student called Suyesh. They say in the example that Suyesh scored 10 marks more in the second unit test than that in the first unit test. That person Suyesh, what he has done or what he has scored is, in first unit test, he scored suppose x. So in second unit test, he improved himself and he got 10 marks more than the first unit test. In second unit test, Suyesh scored 10 marks more. In second unit test, Suyesh scored 10 marks more. Correct? So, let Suyesh score x marks in the first unit test. Correct? Then, he scored x plus 10 marks in the second unit test. The condition says the Suyesh has scored 10 marks more in the second unit test. So, the assumption is, suppose he scored x marks in the first unit test. Then in the second unit test, he improved himself and got x plus 10 marks. Correct? This is the first part of the example. Then there is a condition. They say make 5 times of the marks scored in second unit test. 5 times of the marks in second unit test. In second part they say make 5 times of the marks scored in second unit test. So 5 into x plus 10. 5 into x plus 10. 5 times of the marks scored in second unit test. These are the marks scored in second unit test. We have multiplied by 5. So this is the half part. Then they say square the marks in the first unit test. So square of the marks in the first unit test is x square, x square. So again I am reading, make 5 times of the marks scored in second unit test and square of the marks scored in first unit test. They say they are equal. They say they are equal. 5 times the mark of second unit test and square of the marks in first unit test, they are equal. Here we got the equations first step. So what to do now? We have to simplify this. We have to simplify this. So it will be 5x square, 5x plus 50 is equal to x square. Therefore, transfer these all things to that side. It will be x square minus 5x minus 50. Interchanging the sides, we get x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Now we need two numbers in such a fashion that their product must be minus 50 and sum must be minus 5. Product must be minus 50 and sum must be minus 5. So those numbers are 10 50s are. So greater number should be negative. X square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. This we have done in the previous exercises, splitting the middle term. Taking out x common, we got x minus 10. Taking out plus 5 into bracket, x minus 10 is equal to 0. This, to bring this mastery of taking out common and splitting the middle term, you have to practice lot of examples of such type. Plus, you must have in the stock the tables. The tables are very important in splitting the middle term. Which sign should be there for the greater number, which sign should be there for the smaller number. We needed minus 5, so I have taken greater number minus. So therefore, x minus 10 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, equating with 0, x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here we got x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 5. No one can score minus marks. Yeah, in higher level, in CPT and NEET, there they can score the negative marks. But in school section, we never score negative marks. So, reject marks cannot be negative. Marks cannot be negative. So, marks cannot be negative. Therefore, Suyash scored x is equal to 10 marks in first unit test. So final answer will be same sentence again. Suyash scored 10 marks in the first unit test. Suyash scored 10 marks in the first unit test. Practice more to get mastery on such examples. There will be two examples of such caliber. They will test your knowledge of your tables, knowledge of logic, which number should be negative, which number should be positive while taking the factors. So practice makes you perfect. Practice will make you perfect. So remaining part, that is remaining 5 examples, we will be solving in the next part of the video. Practice, I am always emphasizing on practice, means you don't have to solve the same examples again and again and again. You have to choose new examples from your textbook, from other textbooks. Internet is the source of everything. So you can take out the internet examples and solve them at your home, so that one day you will be it will be a child's play. Quadratic equations will be a child's play for you. Thank you. Best of luck.